How to sell photos online and make money in 2020. Do you want an easy way to make some extra cash online? Do you like taking photos with your digital camera or mobile phone wherever you go? Then this is the perfect side hustle for you. Don't worry, you don't have to be a professional to get started, or have an expensive photo camera. You can just use your mobile phone. It's so easy, perfect for beginners. So how can you make money with your photos? Keep watching until the end of the video. There is a company who sells photos taken by people in their daily life. This means your photos will be used for websites, catalogs, books, magazines and ads. Loads of companies and brands are after photos of everyday life, and often it's the simplest things which make the best pictures. Think streets, food, facial expressions, family, pets, sports, anything. Don't just do the same old or what everyone else is doing. Quirky, cute or weird is always in fashion. Here's how it works. Go to the website footagejobs.com and sign up right now. Then, grab your camera or smartphone and start taking photos. Upload your photos and instantly sell to millions of potential buyers, over and over again. Be your own boss. Work when and where you want. Your earning potential is limitless. The same photo can be sold over and over again. So does it matter what country you are from? No problem, footagejobs.com welcome photographers from all over the world. You submit your photos from anywhere in the world, just upload them wherever you are, even if you are on holiday. What are you waiting for? Visit footagejobs.com and start today. That's footagejobs.com.